So hey guys, today's gonna be our first episode of trains in Mansfield for 2020. The previous video that we did was a New Year's special, live from Times Square on TV. We celebrate New Year's 2020, say goodbye to 2019 and the decade of 2010. So at this time, we're going to be doing our first episode for 2020 of Trains. So, see you there. So, we are at Mansfield right now. They are still working on that construction site for the platform for both the inbound and the outbound. There's still a lot of bulldozers and cranes who are working. I don't think any of them are working right now, but as you can tell, these are the two platforms that will be that might be opening this year. This is a platform I'm going to stand on right over there, so the outbound train is going to be going right now. No parking, anytime. Warning, private property, no trespassing. Amtrak police will detain and prosecute any trespassers found on this property. National Railroad Passenger Corporation. Danger, high-speed electric trains, Amtrak Acela, and Northeast Regional. Keep off railroad property. Here in outbound to Providence now. Here you go, the inbound to Boston. Now here comes the inbound to Boston. So here we have another inbound train to Boston. I think this is the exact same outbound as the one earlier. So it's gonna be coming right now. It's going to Boston.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.